The SOLIDWORKS Plastics training course is a 2-day instructor-led program that teaches you how to use this specialized simulation software to predict how injection molded plastic flows during the process. By understanding this, you can improve part quality, accelerate time to market, and minimize costly design iterations and tooling rework. Here's what you learn. The course is designed to teach you how to use the software to understand every stage of the injection molding process, from filling and packing to cooling and warpage. So you can optimize not only the plastic part design, but also the manufacturing process itself. By predicting how the plastic will flow, you can identify potential defects such as weld lines, air traps, short shots, and sink marks, all before tooling is produced. Once these issues are identified, you can modify the part geometry, mold design, process conditions, material selection, all so you can eliminate or reduce these defects. The course also explores injection mold design considerations, including multi-cavity and family mold layouts, runner design and balancing, and even cooling design, so you can ensure consistent part production. In just 2 days, you'll gain the practical skills needed to leverage SOLIDWORKS Plastics to design better parts and develop a more optimized injection molding process. Sign up today and start designing with confidence.